Hadian ke jingit her markeliang happening ke India but Pakistan, u Vikram Mystery Foreign Secretary habakran shkilat pathai KHUBOR, minta ke janmiet ula pentip bo u Director General of Military Operation ke Pakistan, ula phone u Director General of Military Operation ke India, hakapor kumbalai lai pusan AA janmiet, bat la minjur happening jongki babaro alyang, kinsangeno ya baro ki jingesiat hakendau hakaswing bat duriau, nadu kapor san baji minta ke janmiet. Labatha ya baro alyang mamla ban burom ya kani ke jinges ngotu jingmun bat nakaliang ke India bat Pakistan kani kren biang ha ka khat ar tarik jemang ha ka por khat ar baje minsi shushu halor ke te jing Sangeh Iasiat ke India bat ke Pakistan nakaliang u Donald Trump president keri Amerika ula kam bahadian ke jinge kren Pynïasuk da keri Amerika ka ngokmen ban pin bina ba ke India bat Pakistan kila minjur ban Sangeh no ya ke jinge siat bat pin ibor Donald Trump ula ai khubleiru ya baro artili kiri kibula pendan kam ya kabor perkhat berkejingstan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a very brief statement to make. Following that, as you know, there will be a briefing by my colleagues from the military. The Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan called the Director General of Military Operations of India at 15:35 hours earlier this afternoon. It was agreed between them that both sides would stop all firing and military action on land and in the air and sea with effect from 1700 hours Indian Standard Time today. Instructions have been given on both sides to give effect to this understanding. The Directors General of Military Operations will talk again on the 12th of May at 1200 hours. Thank you.